All right, what's up everybody? This is Peter and Pierce. We are about to pull up a deck board because he dropped something in between the deck boards, and so we got to pull it up to be able to get it. And stay tuned to the end to figure out what it actually is. So we got to go get some tools, so come follow us. Okay, so we made it to the trailer. Got to get a couple of tools. Really simple stuff here. Get that out of the way. So we got to get a hammer and a pry bar. So that's pretty much all we need is this right here. Right, Pierce?
Where?
Come on, Bubba. Slide on down. All right, we're gonna head back over to the deck. All right, so here we go. We're gonna pick the board. I believe it's this one, and you're just gonna be pretty careful with it. That part up. Okay. Okay. And this is what it was. This is what he dropped between the deck boards. It's like some piece to this do-it-yourself Home Depot kids toy thing, and I think this one's for like a tic-tac-toe board. So now we can actually put it all together. Yay! And now we're gonna put the board back. I believe all of the nails are in place, so I'm just gonna slide it pretty much right back where it was and try to get these nails about where they were. There you go, back in place. Hey, if you enjoyed this, if this was helpful for you, be sure to subscribe to the channel, show some love, like, give it a thumbs up, and we'll be doing more shenanigans like this in the future. So buckle up, Buttercup. Anytime you give a hammer to a kid, you get powdered chalk all over the porch. So